Let me take you through an honest look at the MSC Preziosa, a ship that has been making waves in the Mediterranean since 2013. This Fantasia-class vessel carries over 3,500 passengers and offers what MSC calls contemporary luxury with an Italian twist. After sailing for more than a decade, it has built quite a reputation among cruisers looking for that European flair without breaking the bank. The ship underwent a significant refurbishment in 2019, which addressed some of the wear and tear that comes with heavy use. This update focused on public areas, dining venues, and, importantly, upgraded the technology throughout the ship. The result is a vessel that feels more modern than its age might suggest, though some areas still show their years. MSC Preziosa operates primarily in the Mediterranean, with occasional forays to the Caribbean and Canary Islands. The ship homeports from various locations including Genoa, Barcelona, and Marseille, making it convenient for European travelers. What sets this ship apart is its commitment to Italian design and hospitality, which you will notice from the moment you step aboard. When it comes to accommodations, MSC Preziosa offers the full spectrum of cruise ship lodging, from budget-friendly interior cabins to luxury suites that rival high-end hotels. The interior cabins are compact but efficiently designed, measuring around 140 to 170 square feet. These rooms make smart use of space with convertible twin beds that become a queen, plus a small sitting area that can accommodate additional guests on a sofa bed. The real value proposition starts with the ocean view cabins, which add natural light and sea views through either a porthole or window. These rooms are slightly larger at 170 to 195 square feet and provide that crucial connection to the ocean that many first-time cruisers underestimate. The bathrooms in these categories are functional but not spacious, featuring a shower, toilet, and basic amenities. Balcony cabins represent the sweet spot for many travelers, offering private outdoor space that extends the living area significantly. At 195 to 237 square feet, including the balcony, these rooms provide a perfect retreat when you need a break from the crowds. The balconies come with seating for two and offer unobstructed ocean views, making them ideal for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The crown jewel of accommodations is the Yacht Club, MSC's ship-within-a-ship concept that creates an exclusive experience for suite guests. These accommodations range from 320 to 750 square feet and include butler service, private sun deck access, and exclusive dining areas. The Royal and Owner's Suite feature whirlpool tubs, panoramic windows, and furnishings that genuinely compete with luxury hotels. The Yacht Club concept includes priority embarkation, private pools, and dedicated concierge service that transforms the cruise experience entirely. MSC Preziosa takes dining seriously, offering everything from casual buffet meals to specialty restaurants that require reservations and additional fees. The main dining rooms, Illinois Cerchio d'Oro and Il Palladio, serve Mediterranean and international cuisine in elegant settings with traditional cruise ship service. The food quality here is solid, though not exceptional, with Italian influences evident in pasta dishes and seafood preparations. A marketplace buffet handles the casual dining needs with international options available for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like most cruise ship buffets, it can get crowded during peak times, but the variety is impressive. The pizza station and gelato bar are particular highlights that showcase the Italian heritage of the cruise line. For those willing to pay extra, the specialty restaurants offer more refined experiences. The Italy restaurant stands out as a partnership with the famous Italian food marketplace, offering authentic regional dishes and premium ingredients. The truffle risotto and fresh pasta dishes here are genuinely excellent and worth the additional cost for special occasions. Kaido Sushi Bar provides Japanese cuisine in an intimate setting, while Butcher's Cut serves premium steaks and grilled specialties. These venues require reservations and carry surcharges, but they deliver restaurant-quality meals that justify the expense. The wine selections at these restaurants are particularly strong, featuring Italian varietals alongside international options. The bar seen on MSC Preziosa caters to different moods and preferences throughout the ship. Flyleader Bistro offers a French cafe atmosphere perfect for afternoon coffee or evening cocktails. The Champagne Bar provides an elegant setting for special celebrations, while the Sports Bar offers a more casual environment for watching games and socializing with fellow passengers.
Pool and sun deck areas on MSC Preziosa are well designed to handle the ship's capacity while providing different atmospheres for various preferences. The main pool deck features a large family-friendly pool that becomes the social center of the ship during sea days. The pool area includes plenty of loungers, though finding a prime spot requires some strategy during peak sailing seasons.
The adults-only pool provides a quieter alternative for those seeking relaxation without children around. This area tends to be less crowded and offers a more sophisticated atmosphere with comfortable seating and attentive bar service. The infinity pool in the yacht club area takes exclusivity to another level, available only to suite guests and their companions. Multiple hot tubs are strategically placed around the ship, providing perfect spots for evening soaks under the stars. The water park area, while modest compared to some newer ships, offers enough slides and splash features to keep children entertained for hours. The sun decks provide ample space for lounging, with both covered and open areas to accommodate different weather conditions and sun preferences. The outdoor spaces also include a jogging track that wraps around the upper deck, providing excellent ocean views during morning runs. Basketball and tennis courts offer active entertainment options, while mini-golf provides family-friendly competition. The deck furniture is comfortable and well-maintained, though securing premium locations requires early arrival or strategic timing. Onboard activities on MSC Preziosa strike a balance between active entertainment and relaxed enrichment programs. The fitness center features modern equipment with ocean views, making workouts more enjoyable than typical gym experiences. Group fitness classes include yoga, Pilates, and aerobics, with instructors who genuinely engage with participants rather than going through the motions. The ship features two main theaters that host Broadway-style productions, variety shows, and guest entertainers. The production values are impressive for a cruise ship, with elaborate costumes, professional choreography, and talented performers. The shows rotate throughout the cruise, ensuring repeat passengers have new entertainment options. The casino offers a full range of gaming options, including slot machines, poker, blackjack, and roulette. The atmosphere is lively without being overwhelming, and the staff is helpful for newcomers to casino gaming. Evening entertainment extends to multiple lounges and bars, each with its own personality and entertainment schedule. Daily activities include traditional cruise favorites like trivia contests, dance classes, and bingo. But MSC adds Italian touches like pasta-making demonstrations and wine tastings featuring regional varietals. Art auctions and cooking classes provide cultural enrichment, while pool games and deck parties keep energy levels high during sea days. The MSC Aurea Spa represents one of the ship's strongest features, offering a comprehensive wellness experience that rivals land-based luxury spas. The facility includes traditional massage and facial treatments alongside more exotic options like hot stone therapy and aromatherapy sessions. The thermal suite features saunas, steam rooms, and a thalassotherapy pool that uses seawater for therapeutic benefits. Treatment rooms are spacious and well-appointed, with skilled therapists who provide genuinely relaxing experiences rather than rushed sessions. The spa packages offer good value for those planning multiple treatments, and the relaxation areas provide peaceful retreats from the busier parts of the ship. The hydrotherapy pool and thermal beds create a resort-like atmosphere that makes it easy to spend entire sea days in the spa area. Fitness facilities extend beyond the main gym to include specialized classes and wellness programs. Yoga sessions on deck at sunrise are particularly popular, offering both physical benefits and stunning ocean views. Personal training services are available for those wanting customized workout programs, and the fitness staff is knowledgeable about helping travelers maintain their routines while on vacation. The spa also offers beauty services including hairstyling, manicures, and makeup application for special occasions. These services are particularly popular before formal nights or special shore excursions. The products used and sold in the spa are high-quality international brands, though prices reflect the captive market nature of cruise ship retail. MSC Preziosa excels in family entertainment with age-appropriate programs that keep children engaged while giving parents opportunities for adult time. The kids' clubs are divided by age groups, with the youngest group covering ages 3 to 6, followed by 7 to 11, 12 to 14, and 15 to 17. Each group has dedicated spaces and activities designed for their developmental stages interests.
The younger kids' areas feature colorful play equipment, arts and crafts stations, and supervised games that help children make friends with peers from around the world. The teen areas are more sophisticated, with gaming systems, music equipment, and social spaces that acknowledge their desire for independence while maintaining appropriate supervision.
Family-friendly staterooms include connecting cabins and suites that can accommodate larger groups while providing privacy for parents. The ship also offers babysitting services for an additional fee, allowing parents to enjoy adult-only dining or entertainment. Family dining times and kid-friendly menu options ensure that even picky eaters find appealing choices. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our Best Cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.